What we doing today, Dale?
A shout out.
What we doing a shout out for him?
Going to someone.
You gotta talk up a little louder than that so I can hear you.
Community.
Weenie.
Weenie.
Day.
Day.
Fun. And what for him? For the auction today, right?
Sorry, I can't help it.
That's what are you doing? Why are you showing off your teeth? You're silly. You got a loose tooth? Let me knock it out for you.
Never.
Never, he says. Alright. What are we doing at the auction today, guys?
Call.
No, we're not. Get out of here. It's your brother's turn. You done forgot. Move. It's your brother's turn.
No.
Move. It's your brother's turn.
Okay.
Come here, Ryder. What are we doing at the auction today, buddy?
Nothing. Nothing.
Yeah. What are we doing at the auction today?
Family.
What are we doing at the auction today? What are we doing at the auction today? We having a giveaway? We're having a giveaway at the auction today. And we have a wild boy running through the house. Sorry, guys. What are we giving away today, Ryder?
Coin.
What kind of coin? A silver coin. What kind of silver coin?
2000 and...
Nope. 19 what?
19...
Look at it. It's right here.
1964.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Yeah, we're giving away a 1964 quarter at the Community Rainy Day Fund auction today, guys. This is on...
Are you leaving with Dad?
No, he ain't leaving with his dad. His dad ain't going nowhere.
That's where I was
at. Go. We're giving away this 1964 quarter today at the auction. This is on Ryder and Dale. My grandkids. They're doing this for the auction today. You have to be at the auction to win it. Community Rainy Day Fund auction. Be there. Starts at 4 o'clock Eastern today. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.